Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech It Simple channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how to download all photos from Google Drive. But before getting started, let's have a short information about Google Drive. Google Drive is a popular cloud-based storage service that allows you to store, share, and collaborate on files with ease. So, to get started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, go to the Google Drive application. You can see this kind of screen interface on your device. Tap on the three vertical dots on the right side of the file that you want to download. So, what you have to do is choose Open. Wait for a while, and then tap on Save. If it has already existed in this location, here I have chosen the Keep Both option. Or you can choose the location where you want to download it. But the thing is, by this process, you can only download one photo at a time. After that, I have selected all the photos, but I'm not able to download. So, go to any browser, type Drive. Google.com. It will be automatically logged in on your device. Here, you can download the photo once at a time but cannot download all at one time. Hence, this feature is probably not available on the phone right now. I would rather suggest you use a MacBook or PC for that. So, this much for today. If you found this tutorial easy and helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also, press the notification bell so you do not miss any updates from us. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.